Get ready to explore the extraordinary 2025 Koenigsegg Jesko, a hypercar redefining speed, luxury, and innovation. Designed to push limits, the Jesko combines extreme aerodynamics, incredible power, and Koenigsegg's signature advanced engineering, bringing a new standard in hypercar performance. At the heart of the Jesko is a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a mind-blowing 1,600 horsepower when fueled with E85 ethanol. The torque output is equally impressive, hitting 1,500 nanometers, translating to phenomenal acceleration and top speeds. This power plant isn't just about raw numbers. Koenigsegg has also introduced its patented light-speed transmission LST. Unlike traditional gearboxes, the LST can switch between any gear instantly, enhancing performance by always being in the optimal gear for both track and road driving. The Jesko's design takes aerodynamics to a new level. Its massive rear wing and aggressive bodywork contribute to over 1,000 kilograms of downforce at high speeds, keeping it glued to the road. The active aerodynamics adjust automatically to match conditions, whether you're on a straight or tackling high-speed corners, optimizing speed and stability. Additionally, the car's lightweight construction, made of carbon fiber and other advanced materials, makes the Jesko exceptionally nimble while enhancing durability. Inside, the Jesko is a mix of luxury and tech. Drivers will find a high-resolution smart cluster instrument panel that adapts based on speed, showing essential information clearly even at extreme speeds. The Smart Wheel, another unique feature, includes intuitive controls for functions like infotainment and driver settings, putting everything within easy reach without taking your hands off the wheel. Beyond just its specifications, the Jesko offers a customizable experience. Koenigsegg provides numerous options for colors, materials, and design touches, so owners can personalize their hypercar to match their vision. Every Jesko reflects the unique tastes of its driver, ensuring that each car is as distinctive as it is powerful. The 2025 Koenigsegg Jesko Isn't just a car, it's a technological marvel crafted for those who crave unparalleled performance. With blistering speed, cutting-edge technology, and remarkable craftsmanship, the Jesko stands as a testament to what's possible when engineering meets passion.